Okay, so what we have here, a Hyundai Santa Fe. As you can see, I'm charging it right now because of the battery is draining due to the parking light is on. Only one side though, so this is the problem. And this is one of the reasons that it's draining the battery. So we're going to find out what is causing it. So let's do it. Alright, so I look at the wiring. What else the wire that we have at the back? So we find out that there's comes with the trailer light wiring here, and if you take it off, it's got a bad corrosion here. So this plug is faulty. So what I did, I took the fuse out of this thing and the light is off. Right? So if I put this fuse back, you will see, because for this particular car, here is the trailer, 30 amps trailer, which is located here, and this is the fuse. As you can see, it's 30 amps. If I put this back here, the light will come on. Take a look at the back. So when I put this in, as you can see, the light is on. So now I remove the soon I'm going to remove the parking fuse. See, it's off. So as soon as I remove the fuse, parking light is off. So the problem is solved, or located. Problem is located, but I guess we have to replace the cable for the trailer. I think that's what causing it, all of these issues. So yeah, if you have this issue for any particular vehicle, maybe if you have this kind of issue, you go to the trailer, parking trailer, or sorry, trailer fuse, trailer light fuse, because it might be that's the reason it's causing it. So yeah, this problem is solved. Thank you for watching. If this video any help, consider to like, subscribe, so we can keep making more good video in the future. Thank you for watching.
If you're not subscribed, you might miss out of seeing me again. But if you are, congrats. You're on a journey of continuous growth.